Sell your offer today. Here's the fastest way to set it up. If you want to sell a digital product without the tech overwhelm, ThriveCart is one of the simplest ways to get started, and I'll walk you through the full setup step by step. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a digital product inside of ThriveCart, from creating the product, setting up the price, customizing the checkout, and delivering the product automatically. So this is the exact setup that we use for our agency clients selling their courses, downloads, and memberships. So really excited to show you. So first, inside of ThriveCart, we're going to go to products here, and we're going to create a new product. You can do digital or physical. We typically are working with digital products. So now we are going to add in the product name. Let's call this one marketing course. So we'll add in the title, and then you have this label here. This is an internal title. So we really love adding internal labels. So you could do shop if it's the full price. You could do sale if it's a sale price. You could do funnel. You could do ad. You can really build this out. So for now, let's just do shop and marketing course. And then it automatically gives you our URL. If you're creating multiple different checkouts for like shop, funnel, different ones there, you can do different URLs depending there. You have different modes, so let's turn it on live. Awesome. So this is all just for organization. Your checkout copy will come later. And this internal title is super helpful to make sure things stay clear, especially if you want to scale. So make sure you're paying attention there. Next, we're going to proceed. You'll have to set up your payment processors. Next, let's look at pricing. So let's set up a product price. So you can do one-time fee, you could do subscription ongoing, limited, you could do split payment, pay on your own. You really have a lot of options. The most simple way is to do one-time fee for now. And then you'll add in your pricing. So let's say this is $19. There's no trial period. They'll get their initial purchase email here, and then we're going to continue. It's going to add the pricing. This is going to be added on the checkout. So we're going to save, and we're going to continue. You could add any bumps or upsells or rules or have affiliates. You could do a lot inside of ThriveCart. Next, you have fulfillment. This is where you can connect it to where they are able to have course access if you have ThriveCart Learn. So you can either set it up where it displays a total invoice. You can send them to a URL if you want to direct them to a specific page, or you can add them to your membership site. So you have a few different options there. Now, we get to look at the checkout. So you have a gallery to browse. There's a lot of different options for different checkouts inside of ThriveCart. This is where you customize what your customers see. So the headline, product image, testimonials, any guarantees, refund details, all of that will be included. You want this page to be very clear, simple, and trustworthy, not very cluttered. So a tip is to keep this very simple. A simple checkout can convert well, so don't overthink it. So just look through, see which one you like best. Let's choose this one here. For now, we'll select. And then you can begin customizing. So we can go through, we can add in marketing course, you can add in all the details, what's all included. So you can update checkout copy. You can also update the payment details here. So you can do marketing course. Maybe this is 50% off, so you can add that here. Have in all the details. You can also click on the background, and you can update all of the colors here. So maybe we want to change it to this, and you can really change it around. You can change button colors. You can really customize it to make sure all of your brand colors are shown throughout. So once you have that, we're going to continue on. And then you'll have your payment processor if you want to make any adjustments there as well. And then you have your success. So this is where you can add congrats on your purchase. Thank you so much for purchasing. Add all of your checkout details there. And in this space here, maybe you have a redirect URL that you'll send them to. You can add in the link here, or if it's simply just check your email box, you can add your delivery instructions there. Again, you can go through and you can change all of the coloring and make sure it all fits your brand colors and make the checkout very fit your feel of the business. So now that we have the checkout all complete, we're going to continue on. Inside of ThriveCart, you can also set up direct integrations. So whether that's email marketing through Flodesk or ConvertKit or anything like that, you can set those up here. So that way you have the automatic connection set up. You can also set up Zaps to get them from your purchasing house inside of ThriveCart to whatever email platform you are using. Now we are going to continue. We are going to save and get URL. Always make sure you check the URL to make sure it looks correct and that it fits the brand and all the details are accurate. Also, before you leave, always run a test purchase to make sure payments, email, and delivery work smoothly, so that way everything is connected on the back end. So that's it. That is how you set up a full ThriveCart checkout for your digital product. You don't need complex funnels or tech to get started, just a clear, smooth offer and checkout. So if this feels exciting but a little overwhelming, you don't have to figure it out alone. You can book a roadmap call with the KSA, and one of our project managers will help you map out your entire funnel. So that's ThriveCart, email, marketing, automations, and beyond. So that way you leave with a very clear game plan. So grab that link below, and thank you so much. Bye.